Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on ChatGPT. We click on settings. Then in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about ChatGPT. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Here we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.